All right, guys, here we go. Sandos Finisterra Cabo San Lucas 2018. Man, it looks like this thing is built on rocks, guys. That's the nightclub right there. Let's go take a look at the room, guys. All right, so upon our entrance, here's the bathroom area with a sink, tub, toilet area. And there's our fellow YouTuber, Chris. Crazy Chris. You guys know Crazy Chris is down for whatever, whenever. All right, so our closet. Let's go take a look inside. Basic closet, guys. Small safe to store all your valuables, guys. Water dispenser, but I like to opt for the beer, guys, in this hot weather. Nice big comfortable looking bed, guys. Living room area. Nice sized flat screen, guys. It looks like somebody dropped off some wine for us, guys. Oh wow, that's a nice touch. Let's go take a look at the view, guys.
Here we go!
It's a nice sized balcony. It's a fantastic view, guys.
This is special.
Wow, I'm gonna enjoy this, guys.
Alright,
oh, we can hear the DJ downstairs, guys. And who do we have here? My fiance, the birthday girl, my beautiful fiance, Terry. Alright, guys, so hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to put a like and subscribe, guys. I'll be sure to keep adding.
Yeah. Yes, I got it.
Tuning out, guys. Catch you guys later.